Hello. Today I will show you how to fix a Logitech Pro X gaming headset if they have no sound left or right side. A common and unpleasant problem if your headset warranty has already expired. Make sure you try a new aux cord first, as it may be damaged in several places, and if one channel of the headset doesn't sound with new cable, then you know the problem is more serious. Start by removing the earpad, the side that doesn't sound, to get inside the headphones and find the cause of the problem. Then unscrew the 4 screws that hold the headphone body together. But just be careful that the screws not pull close by the magnet of the speaker, because the speaker will be damaged. Open the headphones and remove the foam so it doesn't get in the way. Then unscrew the board to which the wires are soldered. Then check the speaker impedance with a multimeter. The manufacturer has specified 35 ohms. If the impedance is infinity, or as in our case several hundred or even 1,000, then it is clear that the speaker is dead. Unfortunately, the manufacturer does not offer new replacement speakers drivers, so we have to look for donor headphones or a replacement speaker. You can find replacement speaker on Aliexpress. The link to it will be in the video description. Be warned that if you change only one speaker, there may be some differences in the sound, but this can only be heard after the change. Then you find out, or you will need to change one speaker or both. The speaker is under this glued plastic cover. You can get it open by warming it up properly. You can use the special heat gun, or you can use a wife hairdryer on the hottest mode. Warm the lid and try to unfasten it with a screwdriver at each of the plastic hooks. If you can't get it to work, heat it again so that the glue stays soft. Unsolder or tear the wires from the old speaker. The speaker is also glued and can only be got out with a heating help. This is what the original speaker looks like. Press the new speaker into place. There should be enough of the old glue to stick. If it doesn't stick well, use some extra flexible glue. Solder the wires to the new speaker, but be sure to solder the plus wire to the plus speaker contact so that the phases are correct on both sides of the headphones. Put back the cover covering the speaker. Press it down and heat it with hot air, pressing it down so that it sticks properly. Then check with a multimeter that the speaker is reachable from the 3.5mm jack side. Yes, everything works. Cool. Screw the cable board back on. Put in the foam and screw the headphones together, but remember not to let the screws fall into the speaker. Finally, put the earpad back on. Then plug in the headphones and test. You can also use Techscrew test songs. The link is in the description. First impressions are good. There seems to be a slight imbalance, but it will be thoroughly tested in a few hours gaming tournament. If it is bothersome, you can make a balance adjustment in your computer, or just replace the other speaker as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below. Also, I would be very happy if you like and subscribe to this video and channel to support me in my money-saving videos. Thank you and good luck.